Hi guys, it's Robin and you're watching The Robin's Nest. Today on my channel we are going to be making this super simple Minecraft diamond sword pull apart cupcake cake because, well, I haven't made a Minecraft cake for you guys yet and it is such a popular game. I love it and my kids love it and I'm sure most of you guys do too. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Let's get into it. So for our diamond sword, we're going to be using two different kinds of cupcakes, chocolate and vanilla. And because of the pattern that I have planned, we're going to need 31 of them. You're also going to notice here that I have a very large cake board. The one that I have here measures 31 by 18 inches. Now, the first thing we're going to do is take our cupcakes and we're going to line them up in the pattern that we want. And then we're going to take a piping bag with a little bit of icing and we're going to secure each one to our cake board. So once you've laid out your design the way you want it to be, and you've attached all of your cupcakes, it's time to start mixing up your icing colors. So I've already mixed mine up, and I chose to go with these 4 different colors. I have a dark brown, a teal, an aqua, and a light brown. And my 2 browns are chocolate flavor because I love chocolate. So you're going to pick where you want to start, and start piping a little bit of icing on. And then you're going to use a little flexible plastic smoother to smooth it out and join the pattern all together. So I am just going to pick a color and get started. Alright guys, I have finished the handle of my sword so far and I think it looks really cool. I'm really happy with it. What do you guys think? I do have to admit though, it has been really hard piping perfect squares onto a cake. So this little plastic smoother that I'm using has really saved the day. I do recommend having one of these if you're going to do this technique. Although you can do whatever technique you're most comfortable with and I think it would still look great. So I'm going to finish up here and get the rest of my blade done, and while you guys are waiting, if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can catch some of my upcoming videos. And there you have it, a pull apart Minecraft diamond sword cake, and I love it. I think it looks so good and I can't wait to show my kids. They are gonna love it. And I really hope you guys all like it too. If you do, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up and let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.